In October 1967, witnesses along the coast of Nova Scotia watched a massive orange sphere plunge into the dark waters of Shag Harbor. For 70 years, this was the alien narrative, chasing blurry lights and searching for unrecovered wreckage in the deep ocean. The 2026 Perseus database leak, the Presidential Unsealing and Reporting System for UAP Encounters, ended that era of speculation by unsealing the government's internal data. This leak provided high-resolution metadata and crash site coordinates in Siberia, Nevada, and Brazil, all linked to internal laboratory reports. These files contain autopsy reports for biological entities representing 4 distinct species recovered from these sites. These new physical specimens completely reorient the investigation, moving the mystery out of the clouds and into the realm of clinical evolutionary biology. The leaked Perseus medical files read like forensic reports, stripping away the mythology to focus on raw anatomy. Species 1 is the greys. The data describes them as engineered organisms with no digestive tract, designed to absorb nutrients directly through their skin. This technical profile documents species 2, the Nordics. The government noted their 8-foot stature, dense bone structures, and neural pathways configured for telepathic communication. Species 3, the reptilians, possess a cold-blooded cellular structure, vertical pupils, and a layer of scaled dermal armor. Species 4, the insectoids, have a chitinous exoskeleton and a neurological network that operates as a hive mind. When researchers cross-referenced these autopsies with historical sighting maps, they found a match. For decades, civilians had been describing the exact biological profiles the government was studying in secret. While these 4 species look nothing alike, they share a rigid anatomical symmetry that contradicts our understanding of how independent life develops. This is the morphology paradox, the scientific problem of why distinct extraterrestrial species would all share human anatomical traits. Evolutionary laws like the square-cube law set strict limits on size. A 6-foot-tall upright insect would likely collapse under its own weight on Earth. Drastically different gravity or oxygen levels should theoretically force life into unrecognizable shapes, far removed from the humanoid frame. Yet the Perseus evidence shows all 4 species share the same bipedal baseline: 2 arms, 2 legs, a central torso, and a head. Standard isolated evolution cannot explain this galaxy-wide uniformity. The evidence suggests a single external force has overwritten local natural selection. The only scientific framework that accounts for this uniformity is the life sequence conjecture. This relies on directed panspermia, the idea that an ancient intelligence seeded the galaxy with a master biological source code. This blueprint ensures the humanoid baseline develops regardless of whether a planet's environment favors reptiles, insects, or mammals. A mid-20th century report in the Perseus archive provides a final, clarifying piece of evidence. This document is an observational study of human civilization conducted by a non-human intelligence, which identifies specific shared genetic markers in our DNA. The report classifies humanity as a relative. It suggests these entities are monitoring our development because we share their exact foundational blueprint. If we and the aliens are running on the same genetic software, it leaves us with one question: who engineered the original code?